Hi everyone, I wanted to up on video today on this beautiful sunny day in Whistler to let you know that this is going to be the last of my live recordings for a while because I'm heading to Nepal. We're going hiking in the Himalayas with my family, leaving tomorrow morning. And I was updating my website because this is one of the things that you do before you go. Hi, you! So this might interest you actually. So I was updating my website to put my kind of latest updates, and this is what we are working on. So Heather and I have this series of workshops that we taught at real estate boards and chambers of commerce. So you must be familiar with them by now, but social media content, strategy, Instagram for business with lots of video, actually photo and video, mostly video editing for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and how to repurpose all that. And then we teach Facebook and advertising. So these are our set workshops. But what I've put together on my website, so if you go to catherineair.ca, you'll see there's two things. So there's information about our workshops, and there's also information on private coaching. And I found that this is what's coming out the most these days is people want someone to hold their hands and to guide them. Because Facebook changes all the time, so do all the other media platforms. Sometimes you need help to create a content strategy, and I hear you. There's so much to know. So sometimes you need to book private coaching. So I've put a package, and it's the 5-hour, 30-day private coaching. And the reason why we do that is that if we put this under 30 days, you have access to mentorship. So basically to me or to Heather for 30 days to answer your questions, and we're there for you during that 30 days, and we guide you those 5 hours. So you can use them like in a hybrid format if you want. If you want, say, one-on-one for a couple of hours, and then you want me to step in because you have something urgent to post or you want to run some ads, and we can work like that as well. So this is so you'll see it under private coaching. But the other thing that I came up with is that for people who need to go through some information, but they cannot really afford one-on-one, I've decided to do like a max 4 group coaching. So it's going to be every month. So the next session is going to start April 3rd, and it's a maximum of 4 people. So you can contact me. We'll review everyone's objectives and goals together. Then we'll meet once a week. So if everyone's in Whistler and they want to meet in person, we can do that, or we can do it online. But once a week, we're going to meet for 1 hour to go over some coaching with a big Q&A time at the end, so everyone can kind of learn from the topic of the week, say, that we put together. And so 4 hours in a mini group, so semi-private, and then 1 hour one-on-one. And all these programs include a private social media audit of your website and your account, so I can give you suggestion, or I'll go with a fresh eye and see, like, if I was to be a new customer landing on you online, what would I find? So I thought this is a great way, and I'll send you you're doing so great. There's so much to learn. You can be hard on yourself. Okay, so this is how it shows on my website. So I really love doing these lives because you can add information. So you'll see on my website, it says private coaching, and then you have a whole list of what's included. And then you have group coaching, next session starting April 3rd. And then it says like what's the difference in price, and so on. So go to catherineair.ca. So the link is in my bio, and all the information is there. And I will be away, but I'll try to figure out, I had this thing where you can sign up online super easy, which right now I cannot remember how I did it. So worst comes to worst, I'll just put my email address, which is hello@catherineair.ca, and then we can start a conversation. I can answer your questions, and then make sure that we're signed up, so that when I'm back, March 30th. So when I'm back by April 3rd, we're all ready to go and start learning together, so that we're ready for the spring. And I've put request for proposal to teach up the chamber content strategy, and I have a new list of 1,000 ideas, quality content for real estate, and a blog post. So I'm gonna, if you're on my newsletter, you're gonna receive that. If not, email me at hello@catherineaird.ca. And then so social media content strategy, and also everything about video for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and how to have a video strategy, how to shoot properly for social media, the best way to edit your videos and not lose your mind about it, and how to repurpose your video through your blog. So this is another class that we've put together that I've proposed at the chamber. And if you have any question, reach out to me. And if not, I'm gonna wish you a beautiful spring break if you're in British Columbia. And I'll be thinking about all of you guys from the top of the mountains. I'll say hi to Everest. I won't climb Everest, but hopefully I will get to see it on a clear day. Okay, take good care, everybody. Bye. You, let's be in touch. Message me or email me. I'm here still today. Okay, bye-bye.